Hey, it's Rex here from Lotus 7 New Zealand. I want to tell you about this product called the Audicator. You get it from Audicator.com, flies in out of Britain. Hop in my car, have a look together. If I've got the key turned on, I'm driving along, I take my hand and I turn the indicators on. One little blip to remind me that it's going. Imagine that I have forgotten to turn the indicator on. Hear it start quietly, and then it ramps up, and it ramps up, and it ramps up. Reminds me to turn it off. Now, real smart device, because you imagine if I'm sitting at the traffic lights wanting to turn left. Let's try that. One little bleep to remind me I've turned my indicator on. 5 seconds is going by. It's starting to ramp up, but at the traffic lights, I've got my foot on the brake. Little device has a little wire that goes to the brake, and it knows when your foot's on the brake, don't ramp up the volume and don't beep at you. It's just been revolutionary. Let's have a look at my motorbike. Same thing here. Here's the device. Solid state, no moving parts, waterproof. You can mount it on the outside of your motorcycle. Let's talk about the wiring code. Real simple. 4 wires. You come down here with your test light and you find the wire that's flashing with your test light, the 12 volt flashing, and you stick it on the green. You come to the other side, you stick the 12 volt on the other indicator on the red. You put the earth to the chassis of the motorcycle like that, so to speak, and you take the yellow and you hook it up to your front brake light switch under here. Just give it a feed when the brake lights are on. At that point, your motorcycle's just the same. You're sitting there, you're driving along, you forgot to turn the indicator off, and all of a sudden it's going, and it's loud. It's starting to ramp up from quiet to loud. Reminds you, I got to turn that indicator off. If you're at the traffic lights turning right, you got your hand on the brake, it doesn't beep at all. You can also bridge one of the wires and you can program its modes to come in later, quieter, louder. I love these Audicators, they're fantastic. Recommend everyone with a Lotus 7 or a road bike gets one of these. Makes it so much safer on the road. Hey, thanks from Rex in New Zealand. I hope you get one of these.